So any of these services buttons, you just click on one of them and you will scroll down, and the download concrete volume calculator is on the right hand bar, one of the blue tabs you see there, and you'll download an Excel sheet. So go to downloads on your PC, open up the calculator, and up pops the Excel sheet. So it's really simple to use. You just select the profile you have on site and slab depth you're pouring, 150 say. You just tap that in there if you want a 130 slab or what have you. And then this overall square meterage you want to pour in the day, or whatever's on the floor that you're likely to pour during the day, or overall project square meterage. Put that into there, and then you just go down to your 55 tab at the bottom there. You've got pictures there to show you what it looks like as well, and you've got the sections here. And for 450 square meters with a 130 slab on the deck of MF55, it will give you 61 cubes. And that is how you use our concrete calculator.